name is Talia Yosara Fajardo Garcia. I'm a student a bachelor degree in foreign language with emphasis in English. And today I'm going to talk about the importance to get unhealthy habits. What is the thoughts on unhealthy eating habits? Do you crave fast food or sweets? It's time to give up of those eating habits. You don't have a healthy life, neither do I. For eating, habits contribute to the development of risk factors um, such as overweight or obesity and diabetes, which can lead to chronic non-communicable diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and strokes. Get rid of and get rid of fast food. Okay. Can you imagine if you want to put a beautiful dress and it won't sit up and all for a fat body? You will feel very sad. Shut up. Avoid it out. Instead of that, make a shopping list that includes healthy and fresh foods like vegetables and fruits, like onions, tomatoes, and beets, and, and the others like fruits, bananas, orange, lemons, uh, pawpaw, pineapple. Is important people eat the citric fruits. Okay. If you, in the other hand, you can prepare your meals and take over it. If you don't have time to cook for the job because you don't have time, you get healthy meals prepared too. Okay. You like doing exercise? So do I. Physical activity should be practiced daily. Enjoy working out regularly. In my case, for instance, I have an elliptic and I'm working out every day. I enjoy doing it because it is very hard for me and it helped me to have a beautiful figure too. Okay. For instance, fruits and vegetables should be included in the diet. It's important. The body must be constantly hydrated too. I advise to drink lots water. Mental health must be taken care of. Control stress, please. It is very important. Please um, don't allow the job and the studies stress you because it can or you can get an headache or a stomach and it can affect your body in a bad way because you don't feel good and you feel you don't do anything and it is very bad for you. Instead of pizza, for instance, try a quinoa salad with vegetables. Instead of soda, drink water with lemon and a little mint and start changing the bad. It's important and the good habits and it helps you feel better. Take up all activities. Drinking water is just as important as eating healthy foods. Your health will improve as much as your mood. And don't drink as many soft drinks as before. because all activities, all foods you eat and you do affect in a good or a bad way in your body and your health. The key is to find a balance and satisfaction in every meal. Please enjoy eating all healthy food. You can build a diet that benefits you in every way. Remember that change takes time and effort, but the health and well-being benefits are worth it. Please don't give up. Don't forget, rest enough and got it. Thank you.